Stop buying burger sauce. Make this creamy, tangy burger special sauce in 1 minute with simple ingredients at home. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon finely chopped pickles, 1 teaspoon pickle juice, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, pinch of salt and black pepper. Take a small bowl and add 1/2 cup mayonnaise as the creamy base. Add ketchup and mustard to give that classic burger flavour. Mix in finely chopped pickles and pickle juice for a tangy crunch. Sprinkle garlic powder, paprika, sugar, salt and black pepper. Now mix everything really well until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy and slightly pink. Chill the sauce for 10 to 15 minutes for the best flavour. Spread this sauce on burger buns, drizzle on fries, or use it as a dip. Subscribe for more quick restaurant-style sauces you can make in minutes.